The thing with using cameras is that you always have to have batteries that are charged up and ready to go. And when you're out on the go and you need to charge up your batteries, a wall plug charger isn't going to do it for you. So we've got different solutions, we've got different options, but look at this right here. Look at this. My camera is running out of battery. Fortunately, I just got this sent to me by this company that has this inside of it, and I think it might actually have a spare battery. Let's open it up and find out. Oh, this is pretty big. This is bigger than I was expecting. Okay, first off, the size is big. DJI mic 2 case and the llano 2-in-1 camera battery bank charger. Two battery slots in there. The case is kind of a rubbery feel. 12,400 milliamp hour battery. Basically this side over here feels heavy, like it's a battery over here. Press it once, we have 81% in here. So with that, they also send you user manual, carry bag for it, USB-C to USB-C. From the USB-C, they are in out, so two-way. Included with this are two of their own batteries, LP-E6NH battery pack, 2400 milliamp hour, 7.2 volt. The Canon LP-E6NH battery is a 2130 milliamp, so this is a 2400 milliamp hour. These BM batteries, they are 7.4 volt, 2600 milliamp hour, so it is a little bit less than the BM batteries, but it is more than an LP-E6NH battery. So we should be able to stick the batteries in. 81%. The battery compartment output is a 8.4 volt, 1 amp max output. Your USB-C input output is going to be 5 volt, 3 amp. Total capacity of this battery bank is 12,400 milliamp hour. The only problem with these portable chargers and things are oftentimes the size of them. So look at this right here. I open up my bag, and I've got two lenses here, my action camera over here, my phone mount or any other accessories for the action camera there, my battery bank, which I could throw this out, and it gives me that space, and I have my DJI mics here and spare batteries here. Up here in the top, I have room for my camera and lens, and that doesn't leave me a whole lot of space to stick in a whole nother battery bank into the backpack and maybe stick that in there. But I'm also adding a lot of weight to my backpack with this as well. And same with the sling bag. There's not enough room for it here either. Got my camera spot here, got room for my DJI mic or Rode mic over here, ND filter slots, battery slots here. This is kind of just a day bag sort of setup. So where does this fit in? So maybe I'd probably tend to leave this in the vehicle, have my batteries charge up in the vehicle while I'm out on the go, and then come back, switch out batteries. The battery bank will probably stay in the vehicle or hotel or Airbnb, wherever I'm staying, so I always have fresh batteries ready to go. It's kind of heavy and bulky to be carrying around in a sling bag, so I'm not quite sure where I'm going to fit the battery bank in. I may just, like I mentioned, leave it in a hotel room or in the vehicle while I'm out on the shoot or wherever I'm at, and I need extra batteries charging up for me. So that's probably where it's going to stay. So let's see how this battery bank holds up charging batteries. Alright, so these two batteries charged up. We are now at 5%. Both batteries are full. Go ahead and try them out. Two fully charged batteries. We started at 81%, I think, and we got down to 5% charging both these batteries that were provided. We'll charge this back up from 5% and I'll see how long it takes to get to 100. Alright, so I plugged this in at 12:25 and it was at 5%. It is now 4 o'clock and we're to 89%. So I just charged a battery and we went from 100% down to 66%. And this was a 1865 milliamp hour battery. Also, when you stick your batteries in, it's not going to automatically charge your batteries. So you need to press the power button to turn on the charging function. And then by long pressing the power button, it's going to stop charging from the case to the batteries. Press it again and then they will start charging. You can also charge your devices from the battery bank. Plug in your USB-C and plug in your USB-C. And we're charging. That green indicator will show that you are fast charging. We're at 65%. Right battery is almost done. The left battery is charging up to 75%. So these levels come in increments. There's 4 levels. First one's going to be 25%, then you have 50%, then 75%, and then once you get full 4 bars, you'll be at 100%. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you are looking at getting this battery bank, dual battery bank battery charger, I'll leave a link down in the description below. Let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. Always interesting seeing products coming out like this to be able to help us filmmakers and photographers to be able to create and use tools to keep us going in the field. So let me know your thoughts on this. Be sure to subscribe, follow along for more videos coming up, and I will see you in this video next.